Good morning, students. Today we are going to embark on a journey of discovery, exploration, and growth. Intellectual curiosity is the spark that ignites the flame of knowledge, and I am excited to see it shine brightly in each and every one of you. As a nursing student, you are not just learning about the human body and how to care for it. You are also developing a deep understanding of the complex interplay between physical, emotional, and social factors that influence health. Your curiosity will drive you to ask questions, seek answers, and push the boundaries of what's possible in nursing practice. Through intellectual curiosity, you will cultivate critical thinking, creativity, and problem solving skills that will serve you well in your future careers. You will learn to approach challenges with a sense of wonder, to analyze complex problems, and to develop innovative solutions. As we explore the world of nursing together, I encourage you to stay curious, to ask questions, and to seek out new knowledge and experiences. Your intellectual curiosity will be the key to unlocking your full potential as a nursing professional, and I am excited to see where it takes you. We see general objectives of intellectual curiosity. The objective is to help students gain a general knowledge about intellectual curiosity by the end of the class. This implies that students will understand the concept and possibly its importance. The focus is on building awareness regarding intellectual curiosity. Specific objectives of intellectual curiosity: introduce the term intellectual curiosity, define intellectual curiosity. It means a drive to learn and understand new things. We discuss the aims and objective of intellectual curiosity. What are the benefits of intellectual curiosity? Then explain the examples of intellectual curiosity. We discuss how to foster intellectual curiosity, explain the role intellectual curiosity in personal growth, and discuss the impact of intellectual curiosity on society. We see the various challenges to intellectual curiosity and discuss some tips to overcome challenges of intellectual curiosity and conclude the topic of intellectual curiosity. The famous scientist Albert Einstein says, I am neither clever nor specially gifted. I am only very, very curious. It means he considered curiosity the real engine behind discovery and growth. Intellectual curiosity, also called epistemic curiosity, is the drive to acquire general knowledge about subjects like systems, language, history, and social norms. It can be differentiated from another type of curiosity that does not lead to acquisition of general knowledge, such as curiosity about the intimate secrets of other people. It means differs from mere curiosity about personal matters as it focuses on understanding and learning. Definition of intellectual curiosity: it is the characteristics ability to question, challenge, look at an issue from multiple perspectives, seek more information, before rushing to judgment, raise question, deliberate, and craft well-reasoned arguments. Means having the ability to think deeply by asking questions, looking at things from different angles, gathering more information before deciding, and forming clear logical arguments. Intellectual curiosity means wanting to learn and understanding more about the world around you. It is the habit of asking questions, exploring new ideas, and trying to understand how and why things work. Students with intellectual curiosity enjoy reading, discovering new topics, and thinking in creative ways. It helps them grow, solve problems better, and gain knowledge that can be useful in studies and life. Aims and objective of intellectual curiosity can be various depending on the individual interest and motivations. Some of the common objectives of intellectual curiosity may include personal growth. Intellectual curiosity can help individuals develop a deeper understanding of themselves and their place in the world and promote personal growth, which means intellectual curiosity helps people learn more about themselves, understand their role in the world, and grow as a person. Next, professional development. Intellectual curiosity can enhance an individual's ability to solve problems, think creatively, and adapt to new situations, which can be beneficial in their professional development. Means intellectual curiosity helps people solve problems better, think in a new and creative ways, and adjust to changes which support their career growth. Next, lifelong learning. Intellectual curiosity can help individuals to continuously learn and acquire new knowledge, which can lead to a richer, more fulfilling life. Which means intellectual curiosity encourages people to keep learning new things, which can make life more meaningful and satisfying. Next objective, innovation and creativity. Intellectual curiosity can drive individuals to think beyond conventional ideas and explore new concepts, leading to innovative and creative ideas. Which means intellectual curiosity pushes people to go beyond ordinary thinking, explore new ideas, and come up with creative and innovative solutions. Next, social impact. Intellectual curiosity can promote social awareness and foster a sense of social responsibility, inspiring individuals to take action to create positive change in their communities and the world. Means intellectual curiosity helps people become more aware of social issues and encourages them to take responsibilities, motivating them to make positive changes in their communities and the world. Benefits of intellectual curiosity refers to a strong desire to learn, explore, and understand new ideas, information, and perspectives. There are numerous benefits of intellectual curiosity, including continuous learning. Intellectual curiosity leads to a desire to learn and expand one knowledge, which can result in a lifetime of continuous learning. Means intellectual curiosity makes people want to learn more and keep going, gaining knowledge, leading to lifelong learning. Next benefit, improved problem solving. Curiosity fosters creativity and the ability to think critically, which leads to improved problem solving skills. Curiosity helps people be more creative and think carefully, which makes them better at solving problems. Another benefit is increased adaptability. Curiosity encourages individuals to seek out new experiences, ideas, and perspectives, which can lead to increased adaptability and flexibility. Means curiosity makes people explore new experiences and ideas, which helps them become more adaptable and flexible. Next benefit, personal growth. Intellectual curiosity can lead to personal growth and development by encouraging individuals to challenge their assumptions and beliefs and expand their worldview. Intellectual curiosity helps people grow by making them question their own beliefs and see the world in new and broader ways. Next benefit, improved relationships. Intellectual curiosity fosters a deeper understanding of others and can improve communication and relationship with others. Intellectual curiosity helps people understand others better, which improves how they communicate and build relationships. Next benefit, career success. Intellectual curiosity can lead to career success by enabling individuals to learn new skills, adapt to changing job requirements, and stay ahead of industry trends. Intellectual curiosity helps people succeed in their careers by learning new skills, adjusting to job changes, and keeping up with industry trends. Last benefit is enhanced creativity. Intellectual curiosity fuels creativity and can lead to development of innovative ideas and solutions. Intellectual curiosity inspires creativity and helps people come up with new and innovative ideas and solutions. Examples of intellectual curiosity can manifest in many ways and it can be seen in a variety of behaviors, attitudes, and interests. Here are some examples of intellectual curiosity: reading books on diverse topics. People who are intellectually curious often enjoy reading books on a variety of topics ra- ranging from science and history to philosophy and literature. Means people with intellectual curiosity like reading books on many subjects such as science, history, philosophy, and literature. Next example of intellectual curiosity is asking questions. Intellectually curious people tend to ask a lot of questions both to gain a deeper understanding of a topic and to challenge assumptions. Means intellectually curious people often ask many questions to understand things better and to test existing ideas or beliefs. Next example, seeking out new experiences. Those with intellectual curiosity often seek out new experiences and opportunities to learn and grow, whether it's through traveler, attending lectures or workshops, or trying new hobbies. People with intellectual curiosity like to try new things and learn, such as traveling, joining lectures or workshops, or starting new hobbies. Next example is pursuing higher education. People who are intellectually curious may choose to pursue higher education to deepen their knowledge in a particular subject or to explore new areas of interest. Intellectual curious people often go for higher education to learn more about a subject or discover new areas of interest. Next example, engaging in intellectual debates. Intellectually curious individuals enjoy engaging in debates and discussion that challenge their thinking and encourage them to consider different perspectives. Intellectually curious people enjoy debates and discussion that make them think deeply and see different points of view. Next example, experimenting with new ideas. People with intellectual curiosity are often creative thinkers who enjoy experimenting with new ideas and concepts. Next example, conducting research. Intellectual curious individual may enjoy conducting research on topics that interest them, whether it's through reading academic papers or conducting their own experiments. Intellectual curiosity can be seen in variety of behaviors, and it is characterized by a strong desire to learn and explore new ideas and perspectives. Means intellectually curious people like researching topics that interest them either by reading or doing experiment. It shows as a strong desire to learn and explore new ideas and viewpoints. Now we see how to foster intellectual curiosity. Can be fostered and developed over time with intentional efforts. Here are some ways to foster intellectual curiosity. So first, read widely. Read books, articles and other materials on this topic to expand your knowledge and spark a new interest. Means explore books, articles or stories on different subjects. Next, ask questions. Ask questions to gain a deeper understanding of a topic and to challenge assumptions, which means be curious and don't be afraid to ask why or how. Seek out new experiences, try new things, visit new places, and engage with people who have different perspectives to broaden your worldview. Mean learns new skills, hobbies, or activities. Next, engage in intellectual discussion and debates. Engage in discussion and debates that challenge your thinking and encourage you to consider different perspectives. Next point, keep a journal. Write down your thoughts and reflection on the topics that interest you to deepen your understanding and gain new insights. Experiment with new ideas. Try new things and experiment with new ideas and concepts to foster creativity and innovation. Attend lectures and workshops. Attend lectures and workshops on topics that interest you to learn from experts and gain new knowledge. Next thing is embrace failure. Embrace failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. And don't be afraid to take risk and try new things. Fostering intellectual curiosity requires a willingness to learn and explore new ideas, a curious mindset, and commitment to continuous learning and personal growth. Now we see role of intellectual curiosity in personal growth. Intellectual curiosity plays a significant role in personal growth as it encourages individuals to seek out new experiences, learn new things, and expand their knowledge and understanding of the world around them. Here are some ways intellectual curiosity contributes to personal growth. First one, open-mindedness. Intellectual curiosity encourages individuals to challenge their assumptions and biases and to consider different perspectives and ideas. This open mindedness can lead to personal growth by expanding one's understanding of the world and prompting empathy and understanding for others, which means intellectual curiosity helps people question their own beliefs and think about different ideas and opinions. The open minded attitude helps them grow, understand the world better, and develop empathy and respect for others. Next role is creativity. Intellectual curiosity fosters creativity by encouraging individuals to experiment with new ideas and concepts and to think outside the box. The creativity can lead to personal growth by enabling individuals to approach problems and challenges in new and innovative way, which means intellectual curiosity boosts creativity by making people try out new ideas and think in different ways. This helps them grow as a person because they can solve problems and face challenges with fresh and innovative solutions. Next role is continuous learning. Intellectual curiosity encourages individual to seek out new knowledge and experiences which can lead to a lifetime of continuous learning and personal growth. Next role is flexibility and adaptability. Intellectual curiosity encourages individual to be flexible and adaptable as they are constantly seeking out new experiences and learning opportunities. This flexibility and adaptability can lead to personal growth by enabling individuals to negative change sorry navigate change and uncertainty with greater ease. Intellectual curiosity helps people become flexible and adaptable because they keep looking for new experiences and chances to learn. This makes it easier for them to handle changes and uncertainties in life, leading to personal growth. Next role, self discovery. Intellectual curiosity can lead to self discovery by encouraging individuals to explore their own interests and passions and to develop a deeper understanding to themselves and their place in the world. Intellectual curiosity is an important factor in personal growth as it encourages individuals to be open minded, creative, flexible, adaptable, and committed to continuous learning and self discovery. Means intellectual curiosity helps people discover more about themselves by exploring their interests and passions. It allows them to understand who they are and what role they have in the world. Now we see the impact of intellectual curiosity on society. Intellectual curiosity is a fundamental aspect of human nature and a driving force behind many of the advancements that have shaped society throughout history. It is the desire to learn, explore, and understand the world around us, and it plays a crucial role in driving innovation, discovery, and progress in many fields. Here are some ways in which intellectual curiosity can impact society. First one, innovation. Innovation, intellectual curiosity leads people to question and status quo, challenge assumptions, and explore new ideas and possibilities. This can lead to the development of new technologies, products and services that improves people's lives and create new opportunities to economic growth, which means the impact of intellectual curiosity on society is very powerful. When people are curious, they search for new ideas, inventions, and solutions that can improve everyone's lives. It encourages progress in science, technology, medicine, and education. Intellectual curiosity also helps people understand each other better, build stronger communities, and solve social problems. In simple words, it makes society smarter, more creative, and more caring. Next impact, creativity. Intellectual curiosity fuels creativity, which is essential for solving complex problems and creating new arts, literature, music, and other forms of expression. This can enrich society by providing new perspectives and expanding our understanding of the world around us. Another impact is scientific discovery. Intellectual curiosity is at the heart of scientific inquiry, driving researchers to explore new hypotheses and methods in their quest for knowledge. This can lead to groundbreaking discoveries that revolutionize our understanding of the natural world and pave the way for new technologies and treatments. Another impact of intellectual curiosity on society, cultural exchange. Intellectual curiosity can help to break down barriers between different cultures and promote cross cultural understanding and cooperation. By encouraging people to learn about the appreciate the beliefs, customs and traditions of others. Intellectual curiosity can promote tolerance, empathy and peace. Another impact is lifelong learning. Intellectual curiosity can inspire people to continue learning throughout their lives, which can improve their personal and professional development and contribute to the overall well being of society. This can lead to a more informed and engaged citizenry that is better equipped to tackle the complex challenges facing our world today. By encouraging and fostering intellectual curiosity, we can help to create a more dynamic, vibrant, and prosperous society that benefits everyone. Now, we see challenges to intellectual curiosity. There are various challenges that can hinder or limit one's intellectual curiosity, including fear of failure. The fear of failure can prevent individuals from exploring new ideas and taking risks, which can hinder their intellectual curiosity, which means many people hesitate to explore new ideas because they are afraid of making mistakes or failing. This fear blocks them from experimenting, asking questions, or taking risks. Another challenge is lack of time. Busy schedule and demanding workload can leave little time for intellectual exploration and curiosity. Means when people are always occupied with tasks, they cannot devote time to reading, thinking, or discovering new things. This reduces opportunities for curiosity and intellectual growth. Next challenges is lack of resources, limited access to information, educational resources and technology can make it difficult for individuals to pursue their intellectual curiosity. Means when people don't have access to information, books, internet, good teachers, or technology, it becomes difficult for them to learn more. Limited resources restrict opportunities for intellectual growth. Next challenges is social pressure. Social pressure and expectations can influence individuals to conform to certain norms and beliefs, which can limit their intellectual curiosity. Society, family, or peer expectations often force individuals to follow certain norms and beliefs. If someone wants to question or think differently, they may face criticism, so they avoid exploring new ideas. This reduces curiosity and free thinking. Next challenge is confirmation bias is the tendency to seek out information that supports our existing beliefs and ignore information that contradict them, which can hinder intellectually curiosity. This is the tendency to only look for information that supports what we already believe. People ignore or reject information that contradict their existing view. Next challenge is close mindedness. Close mindedness is the unwillingness to consider new ideas and perceptives, which can limit intellectual curiosity. It means being unwilling to accept or even consider new ideas or different perspectives. Such an attitude blocks intellectual curiosity because learning requires openness and flexibility. Next challenge is over resilience on authority. Blindly accepting information from authority figures without questioning or exploring other perspectives can limit intellectual curiosity. Next challenge is lack of motivation. A lack of motivation or interest in learning new things can limit intellectual curiosity. Next challenge limited exposure. Limited exposure to diverse perspectives, cultures, and experiences can limit intellectual curiosity and lead to narrow mindedness. Overcoming these challenges requires a willingness to take risk, question assumptions, seek out new information and perspectives, and maintain an open mind. Now, we see some tips to overcome challenges of intellectual curiosity. It is an essential quality that helps people grow and develop throughout their lives. However, it can be challenging to maintain curiosity and keep learning when faced with various obstacles. Here are some tips to overcome the challenges of intellectual curiosity. First, set goals and deadlines. Setting specific goals and deadlines can help you focus your curiosity and motivate you to learn. For example, you might set a goal to learn a new skill or read a certain number of books on a particular topic by a specific date. Next tips is explore different topics. It is easy to get stuck in a route of only exploring topics that interest you. However, exploring new subjects and topics can help you broaden your knowledge and spark new ideas. Next tips is embrace failure. Fear of failure can be a significant obstacle to intellectual curiosity. However, it is essential to embrace failure as a natural part of the learning process. Learning from your mistake and pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone can help you grow and develop. Another tips is seek out new experiences. Trying new things and having new experiences can help you stay curious and engaged. This can include trying new foods, traveling to new places, or taking on new hobbies. Next tips, connect with others. Talking with others who share your interest can be a great way to stay motivated and learn from others. Joining groups or online forums related to your interest can help you connect with others and stay engaged. Another tips is keep learning. Finally, it is important to keep learning and never stop seeking knowledge. Reading books, attending classes, and watching documentaries are all great ways to continue learning and stay intellectual curious. So now I conclude my topic is intellectual curiosity is a crucial quality that helps individual grow and develop throughout their lives. However, maintaining this curiosity can be challenging when faced with various obstacles. By setting goals, exploring new topics, embracing failure, seeking out new experiences, connecting with others, and continuing to learn, individuals can overcome these challenges and stay intellectually curious. By doing so, they can unlock new opportunities, ideas, and perspectives that can enrich their lives and the world around them. Therefore, fostering and nurturing intellectual curiosity is essential for personal and societal growth and progress. These are some references which you are used for study. Thank you. Have a nice day.